How to install Google Voice app on iPhone. First of all, open the App Store on your iPhone and make sure you are signed in with your Apple ID. Next, tap the search bar at the top and type Google Voice. From the search results, find the official Google Voice app developed by Google LLC. Tap the Get button and authenticate to download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Google Voice app and sign in with your Google account. If you are already signed in on your device, it will automatically detect your account. Now you can start setting up your Google Voice number, make calls, send text, and access voicemails directly from the app. Ensure that notifications are allowed so you won't miss any calls or messages. Now you know how to install Google Voice app on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.